Hello dear students, welcome to Bridge Course Session 7. Today's topic components of environment. In this session, I will talk with you components of environment. In this diagram, we can see the components of environment is divided into three parts, that is natural, human made and human. So these are the component of environments. If we talk further, natural is a things which are natural gifts of nature, that are water, air, land and living things. These are the natural gifts of nature. See, we early human made are things which are outcome of skills and efforts of human, which includes buildings, parks, bridges, roads, monuments and industries. Similarly, human environment includes all the people live on the earth. This includes individual, family, community, religion, education, economy and political situation. Okay, so these are the some environment, human environment includes in the people live on the earth. Natural. So natural, let us some natural environment we are studying here. Natural environment is made up of biotic and abiotic components. What is biotic components? Biotic components is world of living organisms. The two components of biotic environment are plant kingdom and animal kingdom. These are the biotic components. See here, for example of biotic components. Here, human beings. Example of biotic component, human beings, trees and animals. These are the example of biotic components. What is abiotic components? Abiotic components, world of non-living elements. Example, land, air, water, etc. Let us discuss the natural environment comprises the four realms of earth. That four realms are there here. See, lithosphere, atmosphere, hydrosphere and biosphere. These are the four realms of the earth. So first one, I talk about what is lithosphere. Litho is a Greek word. See here, lithos. It is a Greek word. Lithos means what? Rock. Lithos means what? Rock. Lithosphere, it is a solid crust. Rock is a solid. It is a solid crust or the hard top layer of the earth. It is made up of rocks and mineral covered by thin layer of soil. Irregular surface with various landforms such as mountains, plateaus, plains and valleys. Provides us forest and grassland and land. Lithosphere, it is a crust comprises the contents of the ocean beds, various landforms, you know that mountains, plateaus, plains, valleys, hills, deltas, island, peninsulas, etc. all coming in lithosphere. Okay. Next, what is hydrosphere? Hydrosphere. Hydro means it is a hydro, is a Greek word. It's meant by vapor. Hydrosphere is made up of all the water bodies on the earth. The frozen ice in the glaciers and polar ice caps, underground water and water vapor in the air also constitute the hydrosphere. It is the makeup of the oceans that make up of 71% of Earth's surface from the major part of hydrosphere. Water. Water is circulated in all realms of the earth through the water cycle which supports life on the planet. Oceans are a great source of food and mineral wealth. Oceans are not only important for trade and transportation but also help in moderating the climate of coastal areas. Atmosphere. What is atmosphere? Atmosphere is the gaseous layer which surrounds the earth and is kept in the place by Earth's gravitational pull. The air around us in the mixture of gases. See here some gases are there. Nitrogen, okay, oxygen and carbon dioxide. And also in atmosphere it lay ozone layer also located there. 78% of nitrogen present in the atmosphere. 21% it is made up of oxygen in our atmosphere. And also here some air and is essential life giving gas. That gases found in small amounts include carbon dioxide, which is required by plants during the process of photosynthesis. It is a greenhouse gas and is responsible for keeping the atmosphere warm. Water vapor is another important constituent of atmosphere which condenses to cause precipitation. Ozone gas protects us from harmful ultraviolet rays of the sun. The Earth's atmosphere is divided into various layers, each of which has own characteristic and features. Okay, so it is about atmosphere. Biosphere. What is biosphere? Bios. It is a Greek word. Bios means what? Life. Biosphere is a narrow contact zone of air, water and land. Air, water and land, where living organisms exist. It makes the earth is a unique planet. It is made up of distinctive zones called biomes or ecosystems, which coincide with the climate zones of the world. An ecosystem includes all the living things, means plants, animals and organisms in a given area interacting with each other, also with the physical environment. Okay, so it is about biosphere. Ecosystem. Ecosystem, it refers to community or plants and animals within a particular and physical environment, which is linked by a flow of materials through the non-living and as well as living section of society. Ecosystem can be permanent and see here temporary components are there here. Ecosystem can be permanent or temporary, and ecosystem can be natural or artificial. For example, an aquarium is an example of artificial ecosystem. Aquarium is an example of artificial ecosystem. Human beings modified natural environment to satisfy their needs. For example, meals or otherwise factories they need, okay, and buildings, roads, etc. Human environment. Early humans adapted themselves to their natural surroundings to lead a very simple life and fulfill their need by natural surroundings. With the development of trade and commerce with an industrial revolution, people began exploit nature that alarming rate. See here, it is the resulted reaching the mean temperature, okay, of Earth is knowing global warming. Okay, the mean temperature is increases when global warming. So this is only example of disturbance in the balanced states of our environment. While a perfect balance, see here, it is the perfect balance in between that natural and human environment is necessary. Human know their duties. Human should know their duties. Don't exploit natural resources and plant and trees. Okay, they must learn live use of the environment. Okay, here our environment and components of environment chapter completed here. I hope you have understood in today's class. Okay, so you make the points and read the daily points. I hope you understood all points. Okay, so next session I am continuing in next class. Thank you.